Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Wednesday night. Folks, we're under the gun for a major snowstorm. It looks like we could get very close to a foot of snow, even in the greater Boston area. So let's break it down for you. Here's what's happening in terms of watches and warnings. We now have a blizzard warning, basically in effect from Hull, Plymouth, including all of Cape Cod and the islands, from 9 o'clock tomorrow morning till 8 o'clock tomorrow night. The rest of the area is under a winter storm warning from 9 o'clock tomorrow morning till 8 o'clock tomorrow night. So watch out for that. Cold air is now coming down from eastern Canada, where temperatures are below zero. We got into the 50s in the greater Boston area, close to 60 in Rhode Island this afternoon, but all that's going to change. As we look at the latest radar loop, you see a large area of snow now moving through Indiana and Ohio, moving into western Pennsylvania. This whole area will be building over the next 12 to 24 hours. Big thunderstorms developing now in Tennessee and Kentucky. This is really a signature of lots of energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere, as low pressure is going to be redeveloping off the Virginia Capes, intensifying quickly as it moves south of the Cape by tomorrow evening. So let's cut to the chase. How much snow are we going with? 6 to 12 inches in the greater Boston area, the blue zone, all the way to Worcester, Springfield, and Pittsfield through Hartford. 12 inches plus, basically coastal South Shore from Hingham down to Providence, including the Cape and the islands. Some spots could get up to 16 inches of snow. And then we're looking for 3 to 6 inches of snow in the green zone throughout portions of central New Hampshire. So the forecast overnight for Boston talks about increasing clouds, temperatures falling back to near freezing. It should be snowing by about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Snow is going to get heavy around midday. It's not going to be a fun ride home from work, folks. I'll tell you, snow falling heavily, maybe even some isolated thunder, and temperatures will be falling back in the low and mid-20s. So even though the snow may start out wet, it's going to become a powdery snow as the storm starts to pick up. Winds from the northeast picking up 20 to 40 miles an hour means lots of blowing and drifting of the snow. The snow is going to be winding down in Boston between 7 and 9 o'clock tomorrow night, probably closer to midnight over the Cape and the islands. Temperatures tomorrow night falling back into the single numbers, and on Friday it's partly sunny, windy, very cold, 15 to 20. There'll be another little light snow event here on Saturday, maybe a couple of inches, and maybe something else, either rain or snow, changing to snow Sunday night, and early Monday. So lots to follow. We haven't had a winter up until now, but winter is back. So thanks for checking in. Please stay tuned for updates. I'm Mark Rosenthal.